If you know you're experiencing hair thinning, or you're just dealing with excessive hair shedding, or maybe you are battling with stubborn dandruff that won't go away, or you just want a thick and long hair, well, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a very powerful tonic without spending a dime. I didn't spend any money to make it, and this tonic can be used as a final rinse or a daily moisturizer to help your hair thrive. It is one of the easiest hair growth remedy, and it is very effective. If you want to know how we made this, then stay with me. Let's watch to the end. Our first ingredient is guava leaves. My grandmother used this a lot, even though I thought it was weird at that time. Guava leaves have been used for centuries across West African, Latin American, Southeast Asia as a natural remedy for hair growth. This is one of those ingredients that even I doubted the effectiveness, but after I gave it a try, I can assure you that it works 100%. And I'm not trying to sell you dreams, so that is why I'll help you understand why this actually works. Guava leaf tea is an excellent source for vitamin C, A, B1, B2, B3, B6, even vitamin K. Additionally, it is a great source of dietary fiber. It contains manganese, magnesium, and potassium. Guava leaves are also packed with antioxidants, a lot of it, such as flavonoids. Guava leaf, when slightly boiled, can release beneficial substances such as vitamin C and flavonoids such as quercetin. All this works together in a way to nourish your hair follicle from outside. One of the most celebrated benefits of guava leaf is the ability to wake up dormant hair follicles. Since guava leaves are loaded with vitamins such as vitamin B and C, they are believed to cause the hair follicle stimulation and boost new hair growth. Guava leaf promotes hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. The high vitamin C content in guava leaves helps to nourish the hair follicle, promoting healthy hair growth. Better circulation on the scalp means more oxygen and nutrients delivers directly to the root, which is the foundation of strong, fast-growing hair. Another amazing benefit of guava leaf is that it fights androgenic hair loss. This is perhaps the most exciting and scientifically grounded benefit of guava leaves. Hair loss are caused by hormones in the body, especially DHT. This is one of the most common causes of hair thinning in both men and women. Guava leaf extract appears to work similarly to some over-the-counter medication for hair loss by blocking the enzymes responsible for DHT. This makes guava leaf extremely powerful and natural option for hair loss. We'll get back to the guava leaf. Let's talk about the second ingredient, which is moringa. Moringa is widely called the miracle tree. It is one of the most nutritional dense plants on earth, mostly used by Indians. Moringa has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. While most people know it for its health benefits, it is also very beneficial for your hair. The health benefits of moringa leaf, particularly for hair growth, is due to its rich content of antioxidants, amino acids, flavonoids, minerals, vitamin, and other essential nutrients that can have your hair growing so fast. All these nutrients makes moringa a go-to solution for tackling hair loss, both the root cause and surface symptoms such as dullness or dryness. The vitamin C in moringa boosts collagen production, which is a key component for hair structure. The B vitamins such as vitamin B6 and biotin supports keratin production and follicle health. The zinc in it strengthens the hair follicle and regulates sebum production. The amino acid provide the essential building block of hair, which is keratin. The omega-3 fatty acid nourishes the scalp and reduces inflammation. With all these nutrients, now tell me why you will not try out this recipe. Moringa also contains significant amount of iron, which can help transport oxygen to your hair follicle, while calcium provides structural support for strong, resilient strands. One of the most celebrated benefits of moringa is the ability to grow new hair, even in areas where your hair has stopped growing. Moringa leaves can stimulate hair growth even in bald areas by activating the dormant hair follicle. The amino acid present in moringa can facilitate hair cell development and rejuvenate damaged cells, also effectively reducing androgenic alopecia. Moringa has been used for centuries in African homes to awaken the dormant hair follicle and extending the anaging phase. Anaging phase is the active growing period of your hair. The longer it lasts, the more length your hair can reach. We'll get back to the amazing benefits of moringa. Let's talk about the third ingredient, which is the last ingredient in this recipe. The last ingredient is scent leaf. Now, scent leaf is one of the most popular herbs in African homes. It is called scent leaf because it has this potent aroma used for cooking. But scent leaf is quietly one of the most powerful natural hair growth remedy the continent has ever produced. Scent leaf has so many beneficial properties. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and essential oils such as vitamin A, vitamin B, calcium, vitamin K, potassium, dietary fiber, protein, magnesium, iron, zinc, and phosphorus. The essential oils found in thyme leaf is also rich in eugenol. You know what else has eugenol? Clove. It is also rich in thymol, which is the same component found in thyme leaves. It also has some chemical compounds that are very therapeutic. This plant is also rich in phytochemicals such as flavonoids, alkaloids, and glucosides, which are very powerful antioxidants. It has a lot of beneficial properties for your hair, which I cannot start mentioning. But take my word for it, this is extraordinary. This scent leaf is actually backed by science for its ability to promote new hair growth. The most important active compound in scent leaf is eugenol. Just like clove, this is the same compound in clove, and that is why clove is very, very effective for hair. And understanding what this does will explain why this herb is very powerful. Eugenol can stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. It has also been shown to help with thickness and hair strengthening. This eugenol found in scent leaf can inhibit the activity of the enzymes that convert texturol into the hydrotexturol, which is DHT. DHT is the hormone responsible for hair loss. Eugenol is found to promote the rejuvenation of hair cells, which in turn stimulates hair growth. To my greatest surprise, scent leaf is actually very powerful, and I'm just even finding out about some of the benefits. You should definitely add this recipe to your routine. Scalp inflammation can disrupt the hair growth cycle and contribute to hair loss. The eugenol found in scent leaf has anti-inflammatory property that can aid in the reduction of scalp inflammation, resulting to healthier hair growth and increased thickness. Scent leaf can also boost blood circulation on the scalp. One of the most crucial requirements for hair growth is adequate blood flow to the scalp, and scent leaf drives this powerfully. Scent leaf has this chemical in it. Scent leaf have some chemical in it, such as eugenol, limonene, and alpha-pinene, that are very good for hair growth and overall health of the hair in general. In addition to promoting circulation on the scalp, this compound can also fight dandruff. When the scalp receives better blood circulation, each follicle receives more nutrients and oxygen, which is the raw fuel that drives the growth phase of the cycle. This is why massaging scent leaf oil or water into your scalp can be so effective. It delivers active compound directly to your hair follicle where it is needed the most. It also has a very powerful antifungal property that can fight dandruff and any scalp infection. A clean, infection-free scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Scent leaf is extraordinarily effective at cleaning up the scalp. If you're dealing with fungi or bacteria that causes dandruff, itchiness, or any follicle blocking buildup, scent leaf has active compounds that can help you. There is still a lot more benefits you don't even know about, but let's pause for now and then talk about the preparation method. For the preparation, you can decide to just blend this and then strain out the water, or you can just to boil it slightly as I am doing in this video. I need you to have in mind that if you decide to blend this, you need to use it up at once. You don't store it, which is the reason why I decided to do this method by boiling it slightly on a low heat. With this method, you can decide to store it for as long as you want and use it every day to moisturize your hair. After boiling it for about 10 to 15 minutes, it is advisable that you leave it for another 20 minutes to infuse further while it is cooling off. This is absolutely safe for a daily moisturizer, and it can be used by anyone or any hair type. Combining these three herbs can deliver powerful actions at once. It will stop hair loss. Guava leaf blocks DHT. Scent leaf blocks the hormone that is responsible for DHT, while moringa corrects iron and zinc deficiencies. These three are the most common causes of hair loss. Moringa's amino acid builds keratin. Guava's vitamin C builds up collagen production, while scent leaf circulation ensures that nutrient reaches every hair root. All three ingredients has antifungal, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property, which gives a deep cleanse, infection-free scalp environment where your hair can flourish without obstruction. They also fight oxidative damages. They combine antioxidants such as quercetin, flavonoids, vitamin A, C, and E, neutralizes free radicals that can cause follicle damages. This combination also strengthens your hair shaft from root to tips. I'm not gonna lie, I learned a lot from making this video and I hope you too did. So if you're going to include this in your hair care routine, let me know in the comment section. Just type I will try it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to be a member of this family, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.